Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called ALLWAY. They sent this over, and it is an easy way to open a 5-gallon paint bucket. So whether you are a professional painter or whether you're tackling a great project around the house, indoors or outdoors, and you get those big 5-gallon paint buckets, this thing is going to make your life super, super easy. So it's all made out of just a hard plastic. It has a hole here, so it's easy to hang up when you're not utilizing it. It's got the little ridges here for your fingers to hold on, including the thumb point here. And then it's got this nice deep edge. And why this is easy, it's easy to pop open and pry that lid up without damaging the lid. Makes it super easy to remove. And that's the main thing. You don't have to worry about getting yourself one of those nasty plastic paper cut type situations, and you don't have to worry about breaking the lid. This just makes it a lot easier. It's kind of like this oversized plastic wrench, if you will, but it's got a nice compact design, super lightweight, and like I said, you can easily hang it when you're not utilizing it. So if you are looking for an amazing way to open up those 5-gallon buckets, this one is totally worth checking out. If there was something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later.